Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A15 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this phone. Let's start by pressing and holding the power button. Press and hold it until you see the power menu on the screen. Once you see the power menu on the screen, you should see the power off icon. Press and hold on it, and after a second or two you will see the save mode pop up. Once you see it, tap on the save mode icon to confirm. The phone will reboot and it will boot into a save mode. And what the save mode does is basically it disables all of the third-party applications on your phone, and also I believe it enters the airplane mode, so basically you don't have internet, which allows you to troubleshoot your phone. So for example, let's say something is causing problems on your phone, you can enter the save boot mode and for example check if it's fixed. If it's fixed, it means that some of the apps or some apps could be causing the problems, but it's not system apps basically. So this is quite useful for diagnostics, I would say. Let's wait for the phone to enter the save mode, and as you can see we did. It says it at the bottom of the screen, and if you unlock it, you will see that some of the applications will be disabled. For example, the browser, the icon is grayed out, we can't open it, calendar and stuff like that. So basically non-essential apps will be disabled. Okay. And that's how you enter the save mode. If you want to exit the save mode, simply press and hold the power button to enter the power, to open the power menu, and then tap on the restart button and tap on it again to restart the phone. And the phone will reboot and it should boot into a normal mode. As you can see, the phone rebooted and we're in the normal mode. And that's how you enter the save mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.